This could be the worst storm to hit Florida in over a century.
U.S. President Joe Biden said fleeing Hurricane Milton was a matter of life and death on Tuesday, and he urged those ordered to evacuate to do so immediately, after the massive storm lashed Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula with heavy rain and wind on its way to Florida's Gulf Coast. A view from the International Space Station showed a monster storm that's expected to grow even larger before making landfall in the Tampa Bay area on Wednesday. Highways leading out of the area were jammed with evacuating Floridians. A direct hit on the bay would be the first since 1921.
Milton underwent what we call rapid intensification.
Dr. Daniel Guilford is a climate scientist for Climate Central.
Rapid intensification is something that is becoming more common in a warming world. We know that as human beings increase the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, largely by burning fossil fuels, we are increasing the temperature all around the planet. And in certain places like the Gulf of Mexico, temperatures are actually growing faster than around other places on the planet over the ocean. And that means that there's a lot more fuel available to these storms than there would have been if we hadn't burned greenhouse gases.
While Milton's intensity was likely to fluctuate, it was also expected to double in size, putting hundreds of miles of coastline within the storm surge danger zone, according to the National Hurricane Center. Florida's densely populated west coast is still reeling from the devastating Hurricane Helene less than 2 weeks ago. Relief efforts remain ongoing throughout much of the U.S. Southeast after Helene made landfall on September 26th, killing more than 200 people across 6 states and causing billions of dollars in damage.